Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your fan skin and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the props shop and then you're going to buy a crate. You're going to buy this fence crate so you can obtain a fence, and I'm going to click on this information menu. Okay, these are the possible fences you will get from this crate. Oh my god, there are so many fences. I think they are similar to fence in Grow Garden 1, and the rarest fence is the rainbow fence with only 0.86% chance. Okay, and then after you get the crate, you can immediately place the crate in your garden, and then you're going to go to this menu. Okay, tap and hold on this sign, and then you're going to select the fence skin that you want to apply. I haven't bought it yet because I still don't have enough money guys, so I need to farm first to collect money for buying the fence crate because it's quite expensive for newbie player. Okay guys, and that's how you can change fan skin and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.